In a small town, a young football team struggled to win any matches. They trained hard, but always seemed to fall short. The players began to blame each other, arguing over who was at fault for their losses. One day, their coach called for a meeting. He placed a single stick on the ground and asked the strongest player to break it. The player snapped it easily. Then, the coach bundled several sticks together and asked the team to break the bundle. No one could do it. The coach smiled and said, "Individually we are weak, but together we are strong. Stop blaming each other and start working as a team." Inspired by the lesson, the team began to play as a unit, supporting each other on and off the field. Their first match after the meeting ended in victory, and it was only the beginning of many more. Morale. Unity and teamwork are the keys to success, far greater than individual strength alone.